and stretch and kick and stretch and kick and jog.
Best dressed animal. Lion to choose best dressed animal in Tinga Tinga.
Oh, what's all that about?
The best dressed animal parade.
Do you think I stand a chance?
3, 4.
Oh,
Thank you, elephant.
Jumbo, everyone! No one will beat Mama Chi.
Got to look our very best.
It can't be that hard, Zebra. You only have to work with black and white. I have color to deal with.
Got to be fit. Got to look good. No time to waste. No time to waste.
Yes! Oh, I better go and get ready.
There you go. Well, I'll be off too. Lots of things to do.
Like what, elephant?
Oh, I don't know. But I don't want to feel left out.
Good things come to those who wait. Good things come to those who wait. Slowly, and I pull it. Go slowly. Let life run past, so pull it. Good things come to those who wait.
Oh, that's nice. What's happening?
Wait and watch, everybody. Wait and watch.
What's it called again?
Cocoon getting bigger. Cocoon getting bigger. Tortoise says caterpillar's growing. Did you see that? It moved.
And look, the rains have stopped. Time for the best dressed parade.
Time for the best dressed parade. Time for the best dressed parade. Butterfly is the winner. Butterfly is the winner. Good things come to those who wait. Good things come to those who wait.
And Woodpecker's tapping. Well, that's a whole other story. You see, there was a time when Woodpecker never ever pecked. In fact, she made no sound at all. But Woodpecker was totally silent. Jumbo Woodpecker, how was your day? It wasn't busy. It was quite busy, but then again, not that busy. Well, I better go. It's getting dark. Ooh, really dark. Nice talking to you, though.
Woodpecker! Tell Lion, quick! The moon and the stars have disappeared!
Come on. Oh. Woodpecker?
I know Lion will definitely have got that message. My birds never let me down.
But Lion didn't get the message.
What are you talking about?
Tickbird told Ostrich.
Who told Peacock? Who told Parrot?
Who told Woodpecker?
Who?
Couldn't pass the message on.
And why didn't you say anything?
You said not another word.
Oh!
well, this is a disaster. No moon, no stars, and no lion.
What are we gonna do?
To fly up and take another look. The moon can't just simply disappear.
Good plan, Eagle.
Yes.
Where are they? Where can they be? No moon, no stars, no nothing. The moon and the stars are nowhere to be found. The moon and The stars are nowhere to be found.
What is that? Can you hear? Oh.
How wonderful. All is good with the night again. Eagle, how did you do it?
It wasn't me.
Here, all the time.
What is she trying to say?
That's the same sound from the night sky.
You?
It was me!
Woodpecker spoke.
Woodpecker spoke! I pecked on the sky, and I made the stars. Then I pecked again, and made the moon.
Oh, thank you, Woodpecker. And now you have found your own special sound.
Well done, Woodpecker.
That's why Woodpecker Pecks.
I just wanted to do right.
I'm very proud of you, little bird. Tonight you were the real star.
And Eagle? Well, that's a whole other story. But you see, there was a time when Peacock didn't strut. What's going on?
Are you ready? Ostrich is correct. Peacock is the winner. Congratulations.
Eagle is going to be eagle.
Tinga Tinga to find out which bird has the prettiest tail.
Very impressive.
What's happening here?
Birds sing new song tonight. Come to the show. Come to the show.
I'm definitely